Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Team Fortress 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase custom maps. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Team Fortress 2 game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, click on the shop button at the bottom section. This will then open up the shop page where you can look for various different items, bundles as well as maps. Make sure the maps option is selected at the top. And now you have various different maps to choose from. You can click on the various maps to check out the details and then click on Add to Cart in order to purchase them. Once you have added all your desired maps, just tap on your cart icon and then click on Checkout in order to continue to purchase. Now you can use your Steam wallet or you can add funds using your payment method. After choosing your desired payment method from the drop-down menu, you can continue forward and then enter your credentials. If you have chosen PayPal for instance, just log in using your email address or phone number and password. Once your transaction has been completed, the map will now be available to you within your games. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to purchase various different maps on the Team Fortress 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.